Liverpool fans are extremely confident that Mohamed Salah is finally going to take the golden boot off Harry Kane following his 4-goal haul against Watford on Saturday. Having finished as the top goalscorer in the Premier League for the past 2 seasons, the England international looked on course to make it a hat-trick prior to last weekend's win at Bournemouth. However, Kane now faces an uphill battle to regain the golden boot after limping off at the Vitality Stadium. Although Spurs were in FA Cup action at Swansea yesterday, Liverpool, who were knocked out of the famous competition by West Brom back in January, gained a vital win in their quest to finish the season in the top 4. Salah, just like he has been for most of the season, played a pivotal role in the victory as he netted 4 of his side's 5 goals. If that wasn't good enough for the Egyptian, he then went and set up Roberto Firmino's strike in the win at Anfield. With Salah now on 28 goals for the league season and 4 ahead of Kane, the striker will be hoping he returns from injury very quickly. Given it's looking unlikely he will return for his side's clash with Chelsea at the start of next month, Salah can pull even further ahead if he nets in his side's next game at Crystal Palace. Going on the Liverpool man's stunning form, Kane may well need a run of 8 goals in his last 3 league games that he enjoyed last season.